everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a journey into the depths of space to explore one of the most breathtaking galaxies in our universe, the Pinwheel Galaxy, also known as M101. The Pinwheel Galaxy is a magnificent spiral galaxy located in the constellation Ursa Major, and it's approximately 21 million light years away from Earth. Here, we'll discover what makes M101 so special and what secret it holds. Now, let's dive into the heart of the Pinwheel Galaxy, its central bulge. At the center of M101 lies a dense region filled with billions of stars, and it's surrounded by a supermassive black hole. Speaking of star formation, M101 is a hotbed for it. The spiral arm are where the magic happens, as they're home to countless of star-forming regions, what the astronomers refer to as stellar nurseries. M101 doesn't just contain a few stars, it's a home to billions of them. In fact, this galaxy boasts over 1 trillion solar masses worth of stars. That's mind-boggling. Now let's talk about how we can observe this stunning galaxy from Earth. To see M101, you'll need a good telescope, preferably with a wide field view. As with any cosmic beauty, the Pinwheel Galaxy holds its share of mysteries. Scientists are still studying M101 to unravel its secrets. Imagine if we could travel to the Pinwheel Galaxy. Unfortunately, with our current technology, intergalactic travel remains a distant dream. But who knows what the future holds? And there you have it, folks, our journey through the Pinwheel Galaxy, or M101. We marveled at its beauty, delved into its mysteries, and dreamt of traveling into its distant shores. Thank you so much for joining me today on this incredible journey through the Pinwheel Galaxy. Until our stars align again, see you next time.